Hey guys, Pat here. Today we are unboxing this Ultimate Ears Blast, the latest from their lineup of Bluetooth speakers. And actually next to me, this is something that we haven't seen before in any Ultimate Ears lineup. It's a wireless charging pad. What? Well, I think the reason they have this is because this has Alexa built in. So obviously, if you have been watching TV at all, there's been a huge push in advertising for Alexa lately. Obviously, the Google Assistant's been around in Australia for a while. Alexa is making her way into the Australian market. So there's going to be a whole heap of products with Amazon's Alexa built in. There's a little sticker on here with the voice control. I wonder what's actually underneath the sticker, if they had to put that on later, or maybe there's an update that I have to run. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this. We're going to see what's inside here, see what's inside this. Obviously there's a little picture there already of what it looks like. I mean, I'm guessing the little pins here line up with other things on the actual device, and you can charge it, which is kind of cool, because one of the things that kind of annoyed me a little bit was the older ones you had to plug it in, which means it's gonna have this cable hanging out. It's gonna look a little bit awkward next to the plug. But if this is next to your maybe coffee table or something like that, you just place it on there. You can listen to music, hopefully while it's charging, and go from there. So let's get into it. All right, the first one I actually want to start with is this. I want to put that out there on the table so I can then actually just stand it on there, which would be kind of cool. So let's open up some tabs. And to be honest, I'm really excited. I wonder if this is sold separately. I'm gonna have to check on that, and for the full review, I will be able to know that. But for now, I was just too excited to see what's in here. So that's the empty box right there. Put that to the side. And we've got a little instruction booklet, how to get started. It's not even a booklet, it's just a card. All parts required to make Power Up work. So this is called Power Up. I guess similar to other things that are named something to do with power, something power, and then has to go positively in a direction. Will it be power play? Or in any case, I get overexcited. So unscrew the standard D ring, replace charging D ring. Ooh, okay, hang on. That means you might be able to turn other ones into. Oh, right, okay. So with this actual little ring here, which is just a standard D-ring replacement, it's got a little nip here with basically copper wires. So you'll be able to plug it in and this will act as the charger. So I'm guessing it goes on like that. And with the weight of it, you should push it down. So this is the actual unit. And lo and behold, charging pads never come with cables. You're expected to use the original charging cable, which will be over here. This is quite hefty actually. This is quite a heavy item. It's thick. The white base and a black rubber on the bottom actually looks quite good. Yeah, look at that. Okay, well the first things first, we'll need to unbox this so we can put this in there. But that's pretty ingenuitive. So you hide the actual charger inside that little screw, and that way you can actually, well, sell it separately. Or at least give it later, or bring it out later. All right, put that to the side. Move this out of the way. Let's get into the main thing. Ultimate Ears Blast. Let's have a look what's on the back. We've got Alexa voice. We've got Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi. That's exciting. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Oh, obviously because Alexa. There's a Spotify sticker on here. I'm not sure why that's a sticker. I wonder what's underneath it. Actually, very curious to see if there is anything underneath it. Maybe different countries have different stickers that actually come with it and say, well, oh yeah, there's nothing underneath it. Okay, so maybe different countries have different sponsors or rules about it. Up to 12 hours of battery life, 360-degree sound, and waterproofing IP67. Hey, that's great. That's about 15 minutes in underwater, about 1.5 meters, I believe. I think 68 is 30 minutes, 1.5 meters. So this is pretty good. First of all, if you drop it, you better get out of the water, no matter what device it is. And obviously, Alexa voice. And what else have we got here? We have another sticker. So this has to come for obviously maybe a region. So we've got music from Amazon, we've got Spotify, we've got TuneIn, iHeartRadio. So if you've been using any of these services, you'll be able to use it with Alexa. But what you also notice is this is the same services that are provided with every other assistant in Australia, which is cool. Lights up. Does that mean it lights? Oh no, controls lights, right. Alexa, music, light, buy something from Amazon. Now, first of all, I'm going to point out, I have only bought one item from Amazon, and that's because Logitech doesn't deliver to Australia certain missing parts for gaming headphones. So I had to try and get something from there. So in any case, let's unbox it. So it's a little pulley tab on this one, so I don't think I need the knife, which is good. I don't particularly like the knife. What if I cut a cord inside? What if I go... Yeah. Now, last time when I got the Ultimate Boom Ear 2, it was actually a special edition. This is the normal edition that you'll be able to get in the store, I believe. Is it? Ooh, that's a really cool box. So is this a blue one? Is this a funky version of it? No. But I have to admit, look at this box. These are awesome boxes. They're so designed so well, so fun. And makes the unboxing experience a little bit more exciting. Let me get this final tab off, and then I'll be able to just slide it open for you guys. So, Ultimate Ears Blast, here we go. I should probably put some nice music in there. Hey, that's really cool. Is this bigger? This must be bigger. It's heavier, that's for sure. Let's put that to side. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, whoa, okay, I haven't seen this. So we've got an instruction guide getting started. We have a plug. Right, okay, I like that. I like that. Very similar to Apple, very similar to actually basically most big companies nowadays, where every country has a different plug, but what they do is they provide the plug and the actual charging unit separately, so you can slide it in there and have your Australian one for New Zealand and Australia, and then if you've got a UK one, you can slap it on there. And we've got the same cable as we've seen in the other models, which is cool. And is there anything else? Right at the bottom, there is a piece of paper that I have no idea what it is. It must be some sort of warranty stuff. Okay, well look, first of all, I'm not chucking out any of these boxes because they're just so cool. Like, maybe I'll put like something up behind me and I can put all these boxes up because they're pretty darn cool. So let me put that back in there and let's have a little bit of an overview of what this looks like. So it feels solid. It feels very, very heavy, and obviously we've got 360 sound except this little area here, but this might be the bass or the bass, whatever you want to call it. We've got that little D ring here, which we can unscrew and put the other one in. So hopefully you don't lose this one, but would you ever need it? I don't think so. And then there's a little tab to pull off here. There's the charging bit. So we won't need that because we've got a wireless charging pad. Now, personally, I absolutely love wireless charging. My phone is got a wireless charging pad. It's an old Samsung S8, but it is got that little wireless charging, and I haven't used a cable in years. Okay, there we go. That was easy. That's it. Cool. So wireless charging, I think, is always the way to go. It's just easier instead of plugging it in. And okay, let's have a look. If I like, oh, it's already on. Fantastic. So it just sits on there like that. That looks pretty cool. That is almost a centerpiece in your living room. Well, it'll be the light of the party in any case. And it looks pretty darn cool. So it's expected design. We've got the plus button here, down here for sound, and we've got an on button here, and we've got a little light thing to sync up to your device, which I will do for the actual review. All right, well guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope this has been interesting for you, and I hope it got you a little bit excited for the review, and obviously maybe checking this out for yourself in store. I'm not gonna do a sound test. I'm still kind of sketchy about playing music on YouTube, but what I'm gonna do is find a song that doesn't have any copyright things, and I'll play that in the review so you guys can hear a little bit of what it sounds like. But remember, at the end of the day, you're gonna have to go into store and check out how it plays. JB, Harvey, they'll all have it, and make sure you test out Alexa and start asking funny questions, because that's what I'm gonna do, because this is the first time I'm gonna be exposed to the Alexa ecosystem as opposed to the Google Assistant that I've been using for a long time, and you have probably seen all the other videos I've done of reviews of the Google Assistant, but this is the first time with Alexa, and I'm interested to see what Ultimate Ears has done with that, because it's a pretty interesting combination here, because these guys make amazing speakers. And Alexa is a pretty good assistant from what I hear. So this could be a perfect match made in heaven. That's the one I'm looking for. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great week so far and coming up soon. So guys, catch you later in another video. Subscribe, like, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of Alexa if you've already been using, or if you already got one of these. Maybe I can get some tips from you. Guys, thank you very much, and I'll catch you in another video.